Hi, John.
Hi Dania, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. So it's been a week. What's the update?
I'm really sorry that I have not been able to update you in the past week. I know I was supposed to. I did leave you an email and I messaged on the platform as well, but I guess you were busy somewhere, so we could not connect. And I know this is on my end, and I'll try my best. I just needed the color code, and I was waiting on that. If you could send me the color code right now, I'll try my best to work extra hours in the night and send you over the design in like 5 or 6 hours.
Perfect, perfect. So I had just shared the color code with you in the chat. If you can look that up, and if you need anything else, just let me know.
Yeah, thank you so much. And I'm sorry for the delay. I was just trying to confirm the color code, but I'll make sure I send it over by tonight.
No problem. Thank you so much. It was really nice talking to you. Have a great
Thank you
day,
so
Dania.
much for your time. Thank you so much. You
Okay,
too.
bye bye.
Dankash.com 0304
1115786